Hi everybody, welcome to Just for Kids. And today we are going to be doing the Lucky Leprechaun's Pot of Gold. So in your kit you will find the instructions and a coloring sheet, which is double-sided, front and back. You will have a little pot. You will have some dirt and some seeds, along with some paint and a paint sponge. So I recommend painting your pot first. So we're just gonna go, doesn't have to be perfect, but you can make it however thick you want it. The thicker the paint, the longer it'll be to dry. So now that that's all painted, we're just gonna put that aside. And you will need some scissors, some tape, your scissors, and your coloring tools. You can use felts, pencil crayons, paints, whatever you'd like. So I've already colored my leprechaun and I've colored him out. So this is what he looks like. I think he's adorable. He's very cute. Okay, so you're going to take your pot. Now this is one that I've painted over before. And you're just gonna wrap his arms around the pot. You're gonna get your piece of tape. So I know roughly how big to make his arms. You're gonna fold them over. I wanna see both hands. And you're just gonna give him a little piece of tape to hold his arms together. Now that his arms are together, you're gonna put your pot inside, and it's like he's looking into the pot. He's waiting to see what magic is gonna happen. You're gonna take your dirt that we provided for you and carefully open the bag. It's a little bit crumbly, and that's okay. So I'm gonna use a spoon just because the dirt gets under my nails and I make a big mess. And I'm just gonna fill the pot up. I'm gonna try and avoid the big chunks. And I'm gonna keep filling. Oops. It's a good idea to have something underneath your pot when you're putting the dirt in. Let's get some crumblies. There we go. And right up to the rim. And then we're going to take our seeds. And I'm just going to sprinkle them through, and then I'm going to push them down into the dirt just so that they get covered. You kind of want to space them out a little bit. Put a little bit more dirt on top, just to make sure that they're all covered. Okay. Now I've got a plate. This is just so that when we're watering, the water doesn't go all the way through and all over the counter and make a mess. You're just gonna add a little bit of water at a time because the dirt is pretty dry. You're just gonna let it absorb. and add a little bit more water. And I'm going to pour out some of the excess. And there you have it, your Lucky Leprechaun's pot of gold. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.